Creating a cash cow channel on YouTube can take time and effort, but there are several tips and tricks that can help you succeed. Here are some ideas. Find a niche. Identify a specific topic or theme that you are passionate about and create content around it. This will help you build a loyal audience who shares your interests. Consistency is key. Make sure to upload videos or stream regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers through comments, social media, or live chats during streams. This will help you build a stronger relationship with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality content rather than pumping out a large volume of videos. Your audience will appreciate the effort you put into your content. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can help you expand your audience and reach new viewers. Look for creators who share similar interests or have a similar audience to yours. Monetize your channel. Once you have built up a following, you can monetize your channel through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise, or Patreon. Analyze your data. Use analytics tools to track your audience engagement, video performance, and other metrics to see what is working and what is not. Use this information to adjust your content strategy and improve your channel. Remember that building a cash cow channel takes time and effort. Keep experimenting with different content strategies and stay persistent. Good luck!